Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and currently I'm test driving my brand new camcorder that I got for Christmas this year. This is a Canon Vixia HFR800. My old camera, which was a JVC Everio, I guess that's how you pronounce it, I got it for Christmas in 2010, and it served me well for 8 years, but it was only 720p, had trouble in low light, and this one has a lot more features on it, and a little bit more up to date. So I'm just going to record a couple of things, just to see how it comes out. There's the Corner Packard bell. It's my LCD monitor for my other vintage computers. There's the Gateway 2000. And by the way, this should be in 1080p. It took me until 2018 to start recording in 1080p. There's the Carolina Circle Mall restroom sign. I've still got my Christmas decorations up. Scottish flag Jay sent me. Boombox. Trinitron. My old-fashioned style wood grain clock radio that I picked up at a thrift store the other week. Radio doesn't work, but the clock works, and that's good enough for me. Two of my Dells there. My main computer. Okay, let's take this into the bedroom where there's not as much light and see how the video looks in there. Okay, recording in the bedroom now. So far from what I'm seeing on the screen, it's coming out pretty good here in low light. As a matter of fact, I discovered this camera actually has a special setting for low light, which is really nice. So there's the 822, there's the 204. I'm going to have to redo my intro. That's why this video probably won't have an intro, because I need to reshoot it for 1080p. So keep an eye out for that. Old VCR there. Alright, I guess that's about all there is to show for right now. I'm going to play with this camera a little bit more. By the way, I apologize for the mess in here. I'm still recovering from Christmas. It's several days after Christmas when I'm recording this. So, anyway, hope this looks good to you guys. Finally, for the first time in 8 years, this YouTube channel will have a new camera. So I will sadly be retiring the JVC that has recorded the majority of these videos for the last 8 years, but it's time to move on to bigger and better things. So, until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.